right here, guys, we have a beautiful beaver dam, but it also may be a man-made dam, an old man-made dam. Now this is where it gets really fascinating. So there's a cave not far from here. You're all about to see something that I have never seen in person. And quite frankly, I never thought I'd see. This is very dangerous to go near, but absolutely fascinating. Now, y'all may wonder, where's the water go? The stream's dry. Straight into the earth. It goes under, through a cave, and comes out underneath Thatcher Park. I will be going down to that overlook to show y'all the other side of this in the future. Probably not today, but if I go down there, I'll definitely show you. This is absolutely wild. I never thought I'd find the source. It's just dry as far as I can see. All this pristine, clear water straight through the earth to be filtered by the roots of the trees.